What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Glenn. I am creator of GlennReview.com. Today, I am so excited to review a newest training course called Blaze. And before watching my video review today, please click the button below to subscribe my channel to watch more online reviews from me in the next time. So let's begin with my Blaze review. And I made a Blaze review on my website glennreview.com, and after watching this my video review today, you can go to my website and you can use my searching bar. You can put your keyword Blaze review to check out my article review again. And here is my Blaze article review. Now, before explaining some main features of Blaze, I want to give you an overview about Blaze. What is Blaze? Blaze is a brand new comprehensive step-by-step training course which includes every unit underground hack and trick you need to generate endless free traffic in any niche, create a 100% passive income online using a truly effective method. And I'm going to mention about the other Blaze. Blaze is created by Art Flair. I know Art Flair is a dedicated, successful affiliate who has been working on the online marketing industry for years, and again big success in making money online for many years. Thus, I believe that you can put your faith in his new product. It is Blaze today. And to be honest, Belay is the exact method I am using to make money online right now. I use this method to make money online from 2014 until now, and I am pretty sure this method will be evergreen forever. So you can trust anything I review today. Yeah, but there is a training course that helps you make money online from the internet marketing niche, and you are able to scale up to other niches if you want. Okay, now take a look to my screen. Here is the review access I got from the vendors last week. So today I'm gonna make the honest review for you, so you can trust anything I review today. Here is the Blaze training area. You can see there are some models inside this product. There are 11 modules inside this product today. And here are some bonuses inside Blaze product. You can see here are some model. The first model, for example, it is Introduction to Blaze. The model number 2, Case Study Results. And model number 3, the right affiliate offer. The model number 4, your online hub, for example, model 5, using free online tools. So because here are some video trainings inside this product, so I'm not going to click a play button to show all of the videos for you today because the vendors doesn't allow me to do this. So I hope you understand. And I'm not going to explain. I'm not going to explain one by one video here because it's web and will make you confused. I'm going to give you an overview of this course so you can understand what you will receive if you buy this course. And take a look to my article review. There are 6 main sections inside this course. Now I'm going to explain one by one section for you. The section number 1, the vendors shows you exact figures he earned with this method. These figures come from his Zavizu and Warrior Plus accounts. so you can trust what you are reading now. The section number two, the vendor points out an overview about the method he is using. He's making money online from internet marketing niche. In particular, he's making money online from affiliate marketing for some Zavizu and Warrior Plus offers. Section number three, the vendor shows you some traffic he's using for affiliate offers such as Facebook group traffic, YouTube traffic, search engine traffic, Twitter traffic, Instagram traffic, and Pinterest traffic. The special thing is he shows exactly his social profiles and now and how he can build these traffic sources from scratch. So you can watch his videos and then you can go to some his exact sources to check out what he did, and you can do the same. Okay, and I'm gonna move on to the section number four. The vendor instructs you to some free tools that minimize your costs when you make money online. I appreciate this section because I remember about my story. When I started my journey as newbie, I only had a small capital, small investment, and I found always to minimize my investment in making money online journey. I did it successfully. Now, Art Flair, the Blaze vendor, will so exact some free tools he used to make money online. Some free tools like Blogger, WordPress, WordPress.com, and some free hosting you can use for your business. And this section can help you minimize your investment on making money online. But make sure you still get profits from making money online. Okay. Now I'm going to move on to the section number five, scale up. Basically, Blaze teaches you about internet marketing niche, but I know some of you are doing different niches, so don't worry. Blaze has one more rule that teaches you to scale up this method to other niche. For example, uh, in my experience, internet marketing niche is the most difficult niche among niches. Some other niches like dating, weight loss, dog training, golfing, and so on are much more easier. And now I'm gonna explain the section number six. You can build an email list and how to increase open click rate. You can try to derive traffic from some sources, but final thing you have to do is to build an email list. Email list bring the traffic to you instantly without any difficulties. That's why so many people emphasize that email list is the most valuable asset on the internet. The Blaze vendor teaches you to build a simple squeezy page and build an email list from it. After building email list, he teaches you the secret way to make your list whitelist your email. This is the easiest way to increase open rate in email marketing because you just know increasing open rate in email marketing is getting difficult than ever. And there are no perfect autoresponder systems that make sure your inbox rate 100%. Uh, okay, I just give you an overview about six sections inside Blaze. Now, I'm going to move on to another section. Now, take a look to Blaze sales page. Here is the sales page preview I got from the vendor last week. You can take a look at the title here, how I went from broke bartender to $408.07 per day online using only free traffic and free online tools. Yeah, it is exactly as I mentioned in my article review. Here are just some title of product, copy paste easy, fast setup in 45 minutes. 100% free traffic, using only free tools, beginner friendly, proven to work, easily scalable, and no budgets required. That you can with this method you can make more and more money online. And as a as my explanation in my article review, I told you that I'm using this method now, and I use this method to make money online from 2014 and until now. I continue using this method, so you can trust this method. Not only you can make $408.07, but you can also make more and more money online from this method. And you can if you can get blaze a day, and you can do some guys from this method, you can make some videos like this. Okay, and here is the proof from the sales page. Here is the vendor of Blaze, Art Flair. Yes, there are so many different strategies that make uh, out claims and then prove to be overcomplicated, or simply fail to deliver. If you are tired of that, keep reading. Yeah. Here are some proofs that this vendor make money online by using this method, Blaze. And here is the Art Flair history. You can take a look to here. I was a bartender for many years, stuck in the red race and desperate to break free from the cycle of having a job. Just overworked. I try everything to make money online. You name it, I tried. I became sick and tired of trying method after method and program after program and not getting anywhere. Everything was either too complicated or just flat out didn't work. Yeah, this guy he really like me. I got my history is really like this guy. I uh, I have so many troubles when I start making money online. And here is the real case study from this vendor. He makes $408 and 7 cents by accident from using this method. You can go to this sales page and you can click this button play to watch his real case study from this vendor. Okay. And here is some features from map Blaze method. No big budget needed. As you can see from my article review, I told you that this method helps you minimize your investment. It means you have to only invest small capital for your making money online journey. Okay, no website, no list required. Copy my method, get results. Zero experience required. Start earning right away. No complicated funnels. No product creation. This is so newbie friendly. It doesn't require many of the things that other money making methods usually do. Anyone can do this. And what will you learn in this course? Unlike other courses you may have taken, I teach you everything you need to know step by step to get started making money online. You will learn your exact method I used to earn $408.07 plus every single day. The exact strategy I use to create a profitable campaigns, how to start earning, how to get flows of free traffic, essential tips for succeeding and earning, and much more. And here is just one more videos is a Blaze method. You can go to website sales page of this product and can click this button to watch this video later. Okay, here are just some comments from some students from Blaze. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to another section. I will give you an overview about front-end purchase and some upsell features. Okay, Blaze has one front end and five upsells. Here are some uh, price and information about Blaze upsells. You can go to my article review and scroll down to my website to check out some upsell feature here. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to another section that is the bonus. I have two bonus packages inside my article review today. And if you buy a Blaze by clicking this button through my link today, you have a chance to get my bonuses. It means if you pick up Blaze through my link today, you will get all of my bonuses, including my two bonus packages. Now I'm gonna want to list some bonuses inside my the first bonus package. Here is my the first bonus package. There are um, there are five bonuses inside my the first package. You can see uh, the bonus number one is Facebook traffic hack. Facebook traffic hack currently selling for $17 and it got deal of the day winner. The number two bonus, Facebook traffic enabler currently selling for $9.97 and it got deal of the day winner also. Number three, semi-exclusive bonus number three, Traffic Titan, currently selling for $9.97 and deal of the day winner too. Number four, Easy Profit Secrets, currently selling for $9.97. The final bonus inside the first bonus packet is 6 minutes profits. And here are some bonuses inside the second package. And inside my second package, you get some bonuses like Audience the Real, um, Expert Store Access, Crazy Killer, WP Image Editor, Social Media Viral Content Builder, Social Post Seal, Traffic Search Engine, Viral List, Traffic Fresh, Anonymous Post Pro, AK Booster Pro, and finally Spice Stream. Okay, I'm not going to explain one by one my bonus here because it is so time consuming. So after watching this my video review today, you can go to my website galanreview.com and you can use my searching bar uh, and then you can put your keyword Blaze review here to check out my bonus details again. And now I have to finish my video review today. Before finishing my video review, please click a button below to subscribe my channel to watch more online reviews from me. And I really appreciate because you watched my video review until now. And once again, thank you so much and see you in my next video review. Okay, thank you.